Justin from FLIPZCO here. We are in for a real treat. You guys are in for a real treat. In Jersey, we really don't have good winter. It's not like TJ and Dustin where they can film every single day of the week. But we're at American Dream right now, and I linked up with a good friend of mine. His name is John over at Defined Lifestyle. I'm gonna post up his YouTube channel right now. So John got out of school early and he's like, yeah, let's go take some shots of the Supra. I got a little pumped up, so I needed an excuse to take the car out.
Oh man, actually, what do I do in front of the camera, bro? I'm always behind it. Damn, what do I say? I'm scared, dude.
Give me a TikTok. No. Give me a TikTok.
Come in there. TikTok dances, bro.
Dude, you look like every Filipino dancer.
Dude. So today we are gonna be shooting Justin's car. We actually had no clue what we're shooting today. We actually thought we were gonna go to Weehawken, but it was kind of late, so we ended up at. Did we tell him the location?
Yeah, I just told him.
Oh man. Well, there's a really cool mural over here. We had no expectations of what this place would be like on top of the deck, but we kind of found that this mural was really cool. And eventually we're gonna move out to a different part of the town over there. And yeah.
And do you do what makes you happy?
I always do what makes me happy, man. That's the best part of life.
So we are done with location number 1. John, what do you think?
Pretty solid, man. I like this spot. I have to come back again too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think this mural is so cool. Like, do what makes you happy, man.
We're gonna do a pan shot really quick. I'll try and set up the camera behind you so it looks like, you know, whatever. Yeah, so then you can see, yeah, you can see what John does. And then we're gonna go over to like the infrastructure style area. And yeah, for what we did, mad random for a shoot, this is actually really cool.
Really last second, dude. Like super last second. I think I just hit you up like what, like last night?
If that. And
we weren't even sure if we're gonna go out today too, so.
But you posted those photos of the NSX and it looked so good that I had to bother you.
He was like,
But if you guys don't know, we were right across the street from MetLife Stadium. You'll definitely see it from Route 3 and whatnot. I'm gonna try and talk to the American Dream guys and see if we could actually have a car show up here or meet or something, some type of the style like that. 2020 is coming in full effect and the expectations are like huge. So no matter what, I'm just gonna try. There's no reason for not trying. So what we're gonna do is just simply try and find more car show activity, more car meets, and then also getting more involved with Club Loose and the drift events and just supporting the actual community here that we have in New Jersey. It's tight, it's small, but it's guaranteed that there's quality and there's also an awesome amount of people that are surrounding this scene. Like John himself and just all our friends. Like, this is all about being chill and just having a good time, and those random expectations of going for a shoot in 60-degree weather on a March day. And yeah, we're just gonna try and do what we can with what we have, and New Jersey's where it's at, you know. It's just very downscaled and not, you know, we're not one of the Cali crews or one of the Cali boys, but at the end of the day we are having fun and we're enjoying what we do, and I enjoy my Supra. Simple as that. So do what makes you happy. So there's something about videoing your car, your own personal car, compared to, you know, vlogging with other cars. You kind of don't know what to do. It's kind of like John behind the camera when he's so used to being behind the lens that when he actually gets behind a vlog, he doesn't really know what to do. But in reality, it's the same thing with your car. Yes, I'm a car enthusiast. Yes, I'm a car owner. And yes, I do like photography and videography, but it's so weird because I don't know how to angle a car. I don't know what shots look good. I don't know really much to do, but I am very happy with the things that I'm able to do with my videos. So with that being said, just get out and film. Even right now, like it's just like one of those times where you don't know if you're gonna get really super epic content, but you'll never know if you are unless you go out. These spontaneous photo shoots are always my favorite because they're not planned. It's just something that you get to do on a daily basis, and as car owners and as car enthusiasts, I feel like that's what makes this such an awesome community to be a part of. This is actually a really sick shot. So security just came out, told us to get our photos and get out of here, but so I guess it's not really permitted, but it's also Monday, so I don't see it being a problem. Guys are super cool and they love the car, so I'm pumped on it. John, you almost got us arrested, my dude.
Dude, I'm sorry, man. I thought this would be a good place to go, but the guys from MetLife looked at us like, get out.
Nah, they're cool, they're cool. So special thanks to Jason and them, and yeah, all we're doing is just trying to take some photos of cars, so they understand. And I think we have like 10 or 15 minutes and then we got a dip, so let's just get it. Join the fun, and yeah, it's pretty cool to see an S2000 at his high build caliber, dude. Like, he's got everything that you could possibly want on an S2000. Got the Supra, we got the S2000. Car's looking mint. Guys, we're gonna film some TikToks right now, so if you don't follow us on TikTok, follow us on TikTok.
I see you at the I see you with your lipstick on.
I hit that TikTok a little too hard. I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo, your knees don't hit that way no more, bro.
No, they don't. Do some love on your car.
What?
Do something next to your car. I'll slow-mo it real hard. You don't have to slow-mo. I'll slow-mo you. Yeah. What the fuck?
Extra slow-mo.
You put mega slow on that shit. So I thought we were gonna continue, but he needs to study. So
yeah, it sucks being in college, bro. My last semester, man. It's my last semester.
What are you studying? The human anatomy?
Yeah, just me and you, bro.
Oh,
Tonight,
okay, all right.
Oops, sorry. After camera.
Okay.
School is for fools.
So Alex is gonna go hang out with Sebs and Diego. I would hang out, but I gotta go scoop my wife, and then I gotta drop him off, drop the Supra off, go pick up my truck, and then go probably meet up with them for dinner later.
Word.
Oh yeah. Hey, do what makes you happy, bro.
Yeah. Do that.
That was so inspirational, bro. I feel kind of touched, man. I think I would change my life for you. Shit. That was good.
Yo, Alex, sign me out. Go ahead.
Later, Justin. Like, share, subscribe. PP touches, whatever you want. Yep, do that.
Demonetized for real, bro. Demonetized is gonna be real.
Please like, share, subscribe.